Hi, I'm Lisa Tatnell from Cutting Edge Property, and we're here in Cosgrove, which is like
Burdell,
but better.
I'm here to help.
No, not here to help.
Oh.
The house behind me here was only completed 1 year ago. Come with me and let's check it out.
And I'm going to show you the house in a new way that involves circus animals and peanuts. What about peanuts?
They don't care about peanuts. What buyers do care about is moving into a house that feels brand new. 24 Shale STOKED was completed in 2022, but it doesn't look like it's ever been lived in. We think you'll love the tasteful colour choices these owners made when they built. Because this house is only 12 months old, the kitchen is right on trend. Fussy chefs will love that there's beautiful stone bench tops, heaps of soft close drawers, and a 4-burner gas stove.
Plus, there's room for a family-sized fridge.
Rob, they can see that.
Ow!
All 3 bedrooms feature split system air conditioning, built-in wardrobes, and plush grey carpet. The primary suite features a large 3-panel robe and an
Hey, this isn't fair. I don't even have an ensuite in my house.
Rob, nobody cares. Busy parents like me and investors will love this low-maintenance block. There's still plenty of room for kids and pets to play.
Mom! Mom! It went over there.
Other features include an internal laundry, irrigated lawns, and an automatic garage. Here in Cosgrove, you'll find beautiful parklands and walking paths, perfect for young families. There's even a community garden. The location is fantastic. Just down the road is the North Shore Shopping Centre, where you'll find everything from a Bunnings to a Woolworths. Townsville's largest employers, James Cook University, the Townsville Hospital and Laverack Barracks, are 15 minutes via the Ring Road. The Townsville CBD and beaches of the Strand are a 15-minute drive away. So if you're looking for a solid investment...
This house is only 12 years old.
12 months old, Rob.
Oh.
The house is 12 months old. And that means that it's in brand new, move-in ready condition.
In fact, you couldn't even build it for the price we're asking. So you'd better be quick. We'll see you right here this weekend, because I'm going to sell it.
Me.
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 Definitely her.